From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Chicken lollipop. The dish is widely believed to have originated in Chinese cuisine, particularly in Sichuan or Cantonese cooking, where it's known as chicken lollipops, jibam bangtong. The technique involves cutting the meat at the end of a chicken wing or drumet, pushing it down to form a handle, and creating a ball-shaped piece of meat at the top, resembling a lollipop. It became popular in Indian Chinese cuisine, especially in street food and appetizer menus. In India, lollipop chicken gained fame as an Indo-Chinese dish, often marinated in soy sauce, chili, and spices, then deep-fried or grilled. It's commonly served as an appetizer with Szechuan sauce or other spicy dips. In recent years, the concept has been adopted in American and global cuisine, sometimes as a gourmet appetizer or party food, often glazed with BBQ, honey garlic, or other sauces. Why the name lollipop? The presentation mimics a sucker lollipop with a clean bone stick and a round, meaty end. It's a fun, easy-to-eat finger food, making it popular at parties and restaurants. Chicken lollipop is a brilliant example of culinary creativity and cross-cultural influence, transforming a simple chicken drumstick into an elegant, fun, and flavorful dish. Its journey from Chinese and Indian Chinese cuisine to global popularity highlights how food evolves through innovation and adaptation.
Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.